So, ito po ang aking opisina dito sa Saudi Arabia. Yan ang pinto. Pasok ng pinto. And then, there just sa pinto, meron akong isang machine dyan. Yan. Yan ang aking platter. Okay. Yan ang isa sa aking mga platter. And then, meron akong drawing table doon. And then, cabinet. Yan, cabinet. And then, may mga upuan dyan. Table. And then, pero walang nakakaupo dyan. And then, ayun pa yung isang platter. Pero hindi ko na ginagamit yan dahil mahirap gamitin. Mahirap gamitin platter na yan. And then, after nyan is, ito pa yung isa kong platter. Yan, ang aking madalas gamiting platter. Yan. Yan. Yan ang aking platter. HP Design Jet 500 plus. And then, this is my computer. Yan ang aking computer. Okay, naka-YouTube. Mamaya, ang video na to ay papasok sa YouTube. Copy. That is my mug. And that is my keyboard. Uy, then. And then, that is the mouse. And then, that is my telephone, of course. Siyempre. So, see, may telephone pa. And then, yan ang aking CPU. And then, yan ang internet cable. And then, yan ang isa kong printer. That is my one printer. And then, that is the scanner. Okay. And then, that is my cabinet. And then, that is me. This is me. Yes, this is me.